So what's up guys, today I'm going to teach you about how to solve 3x3 Rubik's Cube in 25 seconds. You no need to memorize all the complicated method, you just have to know some basic 3x3 methods. So what we're waiting for, let's go. Firstly, we're going to use my scramble method first. Okay, now the cube is already been scrambled and we are set to go. So first of all, we are going to make a T shape right here with a color attached like green to green, red to red, blue to blue, and orange to orange. So now we're going to make it. So first of all, you can see this is the middle part with the white color and the blue color attached with the middle blue. We just take it down to the white center, and now you're going to do it exactly the same to the others. So as we can see, here's the green with the white middle part. You're going to take it to the green part and slide it down. And now it's the red color. I'm going to do the same. So now we already attached all the color bars in their places. Okay, we already done the T part. Now we are already in the first layer. We're going to serve the first layer like this. So first of all, you're going to find the angles white color, angles white, like this one. So you're going to see what color is attached to this angle. It is blue, and red, right? So first of all, we're going to take it up first so we can inject it to their place more easier. So we just take it out first and we go to their places. Is here. They are going to attach to here because blue, red, so and white to here. So we're going to do like this. Take to the left side, up, double turns, down, back, and take it down. So the angles of blue red is already attached. So now we're going to do exactly the same to the others. As here is the red, white, green is to here. So just take it to the right side, take it up, put it in. Okay, so now it's to the green side. Oh, the blue one first. So take it out. And the last one, the orange, green, white, take it up, double turns, move it back, take it in. So already done the first layer. Okay, now it's getting harder. Now we are going to solve the formula part. It means the second layer, which contains some from basic methods. So if you want to complete the second layer right here, you have to know some basic alphabetical formulas so that I can teach, so that you can know what I'm teaching. Okay, so first of all, we are going to find the middle parts with orange color. So where is it? Oh, it's right here. So when you find orange color middle parts, you have to look at the upper colors. So the upper colors is green color. So where's the green? Left side. so you have to do the left method that I gave you. So the method is this: U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. Then the middle orange part will goes into their places correctly. Now we're going to find a right side part. Oh, it's here, so we have to take it up first. Okay, now I'm going to inject back it using the right side method because red color is going to here, so it's the right side. Okay, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. Then it goes into the correct places. So we're just going to solve the left two with the same method. Then we already done the second layer. So now we are going to solve the top parts with some basic methods. No need to know too much of the shortcuts, but you still can solve the top parts. Okay, so let's get started. As we can see, we're having like some kind of symbol here, like a V. Okay, like a V shape. So what we're going to do, we're going to make a straight line here, one straight line. So we are going to find a middle part of the yellow color is here, right here. We have to use this one instead of using this one. It's because if we use this one, the yellow color is going to this side. It means it just replace this to this, so it's no difference. It's not changing anything. So we're going to use this one here, this yellow color. So the method is this: F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. You see? The straight line just came out. We just don't bother the other things on the side. Just looking at this one straight line. So after doing the straight line, use the same method I just taught you, the FRU method. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. So now we have a symbol like it's pointing a middle finger. As you can see, it's like middle finger. I just don't care about it. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a simple method, as I call is the opening of a fish. So we're going to face to this, facing here, facing the middle finger, and we're going to do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So it will comes out like a fish method. So if you turn to the head of the fish, and this cube here doesn't shows yellow color, and you have to do a method is, I call this method as the fishtail. It's because we're going to do this method at the back of the fish. So the method is this: R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. Then the top will be solved. So now we are going to just use one method to solve the whole cubes right here. So first of all, as we see, there's a orange and with a blue color here. You see this? We just put it to the back, I mean to the front, sorry. Just put it to the front and we do a method called TGW, as I call as the Great Wall. So we're gonna do it like this. This method is a bit long, but if you practice a few more times, then you'll memorize it. R prime, F, R prime, B prime, R, F prime, R prime, B prime, and double R. We already solved the cube, but I'm going to tell you is we are not always so lucky to get this kind of shortcuts. So I'm going to teach you one more basic methods to let you know. Okay, so if you meet these kinds of problems, as you see here, this kind of problems, and first of all you have to see what color is in the opposite of the full color page. So it's blue, right? It's blue here, and the middle of the blue is red, so it's going to here, so it means going to the right side. Then you have to do the right formula. R U prime, R U, R U, R U prime, R prime, U prime, double R. Then you'll be solved. You will also meet the problem as like this. Means the left side, because it's orange, and orange on your left hand side, so you're going to do the left part with the left method. L prime, U, L prime, U prime, L prime, U prime, L prime, U, L, U, double L prime. So the cube will be solved. So if you want to know more about Rubik's cube, no matter is pyramid cube or 3x3 or 2x2 or cube, please subscribe my channel and like this video and share it to your friends, so I can make more video for you guys to know more about what is Rubik's cube and how easy you can solve this Rubik's cube. Although you just memorize a little methods and you can perform it like a pro, you can perform it very fast, like it's about 25 seconds or below 25 seconds, but you just need to memorize a little methods. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. That's for all. Thank you.